Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 19th of November, 2018. Weather today, we're looking at 36 degrees for our high, 32 for our low, and there's a 70% chance of rain or snow this afternoon. PBS expectation for this week is the playground. So in order to be safe on the playground, we need to stay in the school area, walk on the sidewalk, and play Rochambeau as a solution for problems. For responsibility, take turns, follow the rules of play, report problems to an adult. In order to be respectful, hands and feet to yourself. Kind words and actions, of course. Whistle blows 2 times, that's your warning. 3 times, line up. And you don't need to raise your hand and leave the table. That was just something that was left from our last set. The PBS leadership team will meet today. Lunch passes will be around this morning. And reminder that this is a 2-day week. Both days are full days. And Thanksgiving break begins at the end of the day on Tuesday. So you guys have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off. We'll see you back here on Monday. For lunch today, we're looking at mini corn dogs, emoji con potato shapes, grapes, crunchy baby carrots, and your choice of milk. Tomorrow, we're looking at the full-on turkey dinner, mashed potatoes, gravy, cranberry sauce, green beans, and some pumpkin pie. And then looking at special announcements, we still have the war on grumbling that is going on through the rest of this week. You can also turn in gently used or new costumes here at the STEAM Academy at Woodrow Wilson. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Students, if you know where this flag was, it is an important part of the Star-Spangled Banner. If you know where that is, teachers, if you can write down that student's name, let me know. I have a $20 Voyager buck if a student knows where this picture was taken. All right, so here we go with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. I want to also extend a warm thank you as well as a welcome to, we have a group of students who are presenting to the Board of Education tonight on our Project Lead the Way curriculum. So we are thankful for those students for doing that for us, as well as staff and students who are welcome to come to the board meeting. They're lots of fun. It begins at 7 o'clock. Our students are, I think, 3rd on the agenda. So once they present, then they get to head on out. So please make sure that if you are available, come out, support our students as they present to the Board of Education. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!